Hello, welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'll be showing you how to make the best homemade burger using just my delicious milk buns. If you don't know how to make burger buns, please check out how to make milk buns on my channel. I'm going to be using some ketchup sauce, and these are my fresh veggies and some cheese as well. So I've already mixed my ground beef and it is cooking away in my air fryer. As you can see, I'm cooking at 185 degrees and I'm just going to cook this for about 6 minutes or so. So while it's cooking, I'm just going to break up my buns and I'm just going to slice them open. You can see how nice and delicious my buns look. I'm slicing my buns and I'm getting ready to start stacking up my toppings. You can see how nice and fluffy they look and they taste really delicious. So after about 6 minutes, it's time to flip my burgers. So check out all the seasoning I used down in the description box. So after I flip, I just let it cook again for another 5 minutes, and after that, I'm just adding in my cheese. I'm letting this sit in my air fryer for about 1 minute so that cheese is just going to melt beautifully. So while the cheese is melting away, I'm going to start stacking up my toppings. I start by spreading some mayonnaise on my buns. Once that's done, I'm going to go in with my baby lettuce. And guys, you want your lettuce to fan out beautifully inside your burgers. Once I've layered my lettuce, I'm just going to add some freshly sliced tomatoes. After that, I'm going in with my cooked beef and that deliciously melted cheese. I'm just going to add on some ketchup sauce. So this is just going to add loads of sweetness and moisture inside that burger. I'm just going in with more veggies, and this is just going to add on flavors and textures to my burger. I cannot wait to bite into this. I'm just going to close this up, and guys, this is so simple. It took me just about 5 minutes to assemble them and they taste so yummy, so delicious, so easy to do. So I'm just going to slice this open, and it's time for me to enjoy all this yumminess. This is a really easy snack to make at home. So yummy. You can see how colorful and rich my burger is looking. Time to bite in and just enjoy all this yumminess. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It was so nice and so yummy to make. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and don't forget to share. Stay tuned, guys. Bye.